message in my notes that I never wanna send you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. You did it all while leaving me in the dark. I try so hard to be what you need. If you're into the finer things, well.
Hi guys, so this was on Friday before Mother's Day, and my son brought this home. They made with the teacher. There was his hand printed, and then this cute card that they made at school. And guys, they also made us cookies. They were so delicious. I enjoyed them so much. I also got a card from my daughter, and I felt so good. I appreciate their teachers because they go out of their way to make every day special for our kids, and also every holiday special for the parents as well.
Maybe we should let this fall apart, 'cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. Should listen to my friends when they told me not to. They said you never had a one-night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then I might understand. But now my heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking twice about me. I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying how I feel if you only knew. I wrote down every old cliche, a four-letter word in 100 ways, and reality hit me in the face.
So guys, I went to the supermarket to Quick Mart to look for this bamboo skewers, because my daughter's homework requires us to collect 100 sticks that has no hooks, like smooth sticks, and then like you arrange them in tens. So there was no way I could find those kinds of sticks, smooth ones. So I decided to go and look for the skewers and use them for her homework. That's why I went to Quick Mart for that, and then I ended up buying these things. Meatballs. By now you know we love meatballs, and I also added spaghetti because the spaghetti I have is not enough to make dinner. Tomato paste, milk for tea, go fruit, mango, and muffins for the kids because they love muffins. Yeah.
'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. Should've listened to
Now
my
you have
friends
another 10.
when they told me not to.
Then you
Said you never had a one-night
so
stand,
this is 110, another 10,
Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But now my heart's on my sleeve and
So this is the next day. We at Shine Squad went to clean an apartment for our client who was moving in. She had put a few stuff, as you can see, in the kitchen, but she was not like fully moved in, just the bed and some few items. So we went to deep clean her apartment so she could move in into a clean and fresh space. And as usual guys, we left the apartment looking so spotless, and she was happy.
in too deep. But you're not thinking twice about me. What if it goes wrong? What if it goes right? What if these things I'm saying make you change your mind? I've never been one to cry. I can't stop the tears raining down from my eyes. No, 'cause I feel so stupid for falling for you.
breakfast. I had some corn yesterday that I boiled in the night because we had leftover food and I didn't want to waste food. So I boiled some corn and that is what I'm going to have for breakfast. I'm going to add some scrambled eggs. I'm really trying to avoid eating bread a lot, wheat products, because I need to start dieting to reduce the tummy fat. I'm also having some maziwa instead of tea. For today, breakfast of the day.
They say there's a girl who lives on the moon, takes lunar walks in the afternoon. She hums to the stars in celestial spheres, plants quiet thoughts where no one else hears. She dances in craters where Tycho rays roam, her feet barely touching the dust she calls home. Heart beating the earth, she is close but always far away. Curtains in the grave learn to bloom now. She's growing lilies on the
So guys, I had been to work and busy for a few days, so you can see the dirty shoes have really accumulated on the doorstep. You can see the muddy boots, the muddy shoes. Like, I just looked at them and felt tired before I even started, so I put on some gospel music to vibe with, so it can be easy for me to do the house chores.
She watches the earth from a tidal locked ledge, far from the noise and the gravity's edge. She moves with the rhyme of the galaxy's prose, secrets she waters where no one else goes. No signal to follow, no tether to trace. She floats through the static in infinite space. Heart beating the earth, she is close but always far away. Curtains in the grave learn to bloom now. She's growing lilies on the moon. Build a rocket to go and see her. That's what falling in love is for. Build a rocket to go and see her. That's what falling in love is for. Build a rocket to go and see her. That's what falling in love is for. Build a rocket to go and see her. That's what falling in love is for. Just a rainy Monday, sitting at our table. 2 cups and an empty chair. You'll be gone till Sunday, everything's unstable. I was unprepared. The colors don't look quite the same, and the wind keeps whispering your name. If the world looks different, then it's you to blame. Oh, yeah. So I count the minutes, I count the days, I count the stars and all the ways I feel your touch when you'll be back to stay. Oh, yeah. Call you every night, I say that I'm alright, but I miss you. Oh, see you in my dreams. It's torture as it seems, but I miss you. Walking through our city, so much I want to show you. Say your jokes inside my head. Life is much less pretty when I live it without you. It's like you once said, the colors don't look quite the same, and the wind keeps whispering your name. If the world looks different, then it's you to blame. Oh, yeah. So I count the minutes, I count the days, I count the stars and all the ways I feel your touch when you'll be back to stay. Oh, yeah. Call you every night, I say that I'm alright, but I miss you. Oh, see you in my dreams. It's torture as it seems, but I miss you. Missing you, make me blue, and I'm missing you. Missing you, make me blue, and I'm missing you. Tell me that you want me, tell me that you need me. Nothing is the same when you are not with me. Ooh, 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 I'm missing you. Yeah. Tell me that you want me, tell me that you need me. Nothing is the same when you are not with me. Ooh, 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 I'm missing you. Yeah. Call you every night, I say that I'm alright, but I'm missing you. See you in my dreams, it's torture as it seems, but I'm missing you. Missing you, make me blue. You make me blue, and I'm missing you. You make me blue, and I'm missing you. Make me blue. You know I'm missing you.
You just say when you want it now, and I'll be around. Turn my place all upside down one last time. Got me thinking of you, it's true, we've been loud, and I'm crushing now. I just need a minute with you, yeah. Can we skip the conversations? Get back to the nasty part. It could go off any second. So ladies first, so go and start. We ain't got a place to go. Now get ready, set and go. Yeah, I'm on a mission for you. And if we fall like dominoes, that will change the way this goes. Yeah, I gave permission to you.
Guys, my hair is looking really bad. When I'm in the house, it looks okay, but when I'm going out, when I'm all dressed up, look at that. It looks really bad. I wasn't planning on doing my hair anytime soon, but I can't stay with this hair anymore. So I'm going to the salon, they undo it, and then I'm going to get a really simple hairstyle, maybe some cornrows. Because I was not planning on doing my hair, and I hate staying in the salon for hours. So today, because I have time, I'm not going to work. I will go and undo it and do just a simple something.
I want you bad. I just can't shake this feeling. I know it's late, I'm on the way. Don't tell me to come through. I want you bad. it to come through. You just say when you want it now.
So guys, I did some simple cornrows. That's how the hair turned out. Like it so much. Yes, nothing